What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have these two smartwatches from Fitpolo. Yeah, I know this brand for a long time because they have a lot of different type of products. Especially I have bought a lot of their smartwatch bands, but when I've noticed that they also have smartwatches, these costs only $39 and there is a discount going on. So now it only costs around $32. Okay, what can you buy for $32? Maybe smart band, but these are smartwatches, better than smart bands. Yeah, one of my friend, he bought a Poco X4 Pro because he cannot afford to buy a better smartphone. And he has asked me, I have a budget smartphone, can you help me to get a budget smartwatch? And actually that's why I was looking for budget smartwatches. Well, first do the unboxing and then we will go through some specifications and we will check all the features. I will also share with you my personal opinion, but at the beginning, if you end up liking this video, if you want to watch more videos like these, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Subscription and like button is over there on YouTube. These things are for free. You don't have to spend any money. So go ahead, click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Support true content. I have this same Fitpolo smartwatch in two different colors. This one is black and this one, I don't know, it's gold. No, maybe marigold or more like pink. Inside the box you get your smartwatch. Yeah, this one comes with TPU silicone watch bands, but as this company makes smartwatch bands for Apple Watch and Samsung Watch and many other brands, so these watch bands are actually very good quality one. Underneath the smartwatch you will get a charging cable. This is proprietary charging cable, very good quality charging cable. I actually didn't expect this type of good quality. This one really feels premium. You will also get a user manual. There are a lot of illustrations and everything is written in detail. How to use it, how to do it. Wow. This user manual actually comes in a few different languages, so I think almost all the languages are covered. I'm not gonna open this one because everything is the same. Here is our Fitpolo smartwatch. It says there is a function button. Press to return. Please charge to activate the watch before you use it. I didn't charge this one, so I'm not gonna use this one. Yeah, this one is 67% charged. Am I crazy? I've been using this color. Actually, I'm a sucker for vibrant colors, so I don't like anything that is black. Build quality of this smartwatch is good. It's not metal, it's plastic. The whole body or the case, this is plastic, but it doesn't feel so cheap. It's very light. This is a 1.33 inch TFT LCD panel and this is very vibrant. Colors are pretty vivid, black is pretty dark and white is very bright. Especially under sunlight, this display panel is viewable. The content of this display panel is pretty much visible under sunlight. I have mentioned earlier, I have already used their watch bands with, third-party watch bands with some of my Samsung and Apple watches. So I have no complaint about their watch bands. It's really great, offers a very good comfort and yeah, it looks nice. Well, let me mention three things. Number one, it takes around 146 minutes. 146 is actually an average number, but it usually takes 140 to 150 minutes to get fully charged. From 0 to 100%, and offers 10 days of usage time. But if you put it on standby mode, it will go for 30 days. I don't know who just charged their smartwatch and then put it on standby mode. I'm not gonna do that and I didn't do that. Actually, I have managed to squeeze 10 days of battery life, which they have promised on their website. So I'm very happy with battery life. Well, like many other smartwatches, you have to use a third-party application to connect this smartwatch to your smartphone. The name of the application is Very Fit Pro. It's very easy. It has already detected my smartwatch. It's confirmed it already got connected. Now, as it's connected, okay, on the application you can select Call Alert. I'm gonna activate Call Alert. Allow Very Fit Pro to access your contacts, make phone calls. Alert after 3 seconds. Okay. Do you want to save your changes? Yes. Sedentary alert. I'm gonna enable this one. I'm gonna activate all the alerts. Do I need music control? I don't need music control, but you can use your music control on your smartwatch. This Fitpolo supports both Apple Music and YouTube Music. Heart rate detection is automatic. Yeah. Wrist sense, well, there are a lot of activities. You see run, walk, bike, hike, climbing, treadmill, spinning, yoga. Other than treadmill, I don't think I'm gonna do anything. But anyway, run, walk, bike, treadmill, these are okay. Device language, default by OS, find my phone, activate this. Okay, I have tried a lot to find how to change watch faces, but I can't find it. I think there are only 4 different watch faces that you can select. This is one, there is another, here it is. I think this one looks the most beautiful. Yeah, this looks crazy cool. I will go with this one. There is a chin over here, but it's not like visible. You won't see it, you won't feel it. If you don't put enough care or extra care, like you have to spend a little time to understand that okay, there is a chin over here. It's not that ugly at all. Now let's check heart rate monitoring, and I'm very happy to see that the smartwatch actually is connected to the application in real time. Check this over here. Whenever it gets a new heart rate, it will be shown over here. Can you see this? 82, 84, 84. It's getting updated in real time. Amazing. I didn't think about this. I didn't know about this. Yeah, it's good. Well, average heart rate. Now let's check something else. Relax. What is relax? It says relax. I'm gonna relax for 1 minute. What happens? Please calm down. Well, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Okay, it's breathe practice. I'm not gonna go through with this. You know what is this? Alarm, sport, music controller, timer, settings. Okay, what type of settings do they have? Dial. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, there are only 4 dials and I like this one. There is dimming. You can select 3 different brightness level. There is no auto brightness control, and when you select full brightness, it's actually pretty much visible under sunlight. Okay, there is not much in the settings. There is dial and this dimming. I have chosen this level 2 brightness because this is visible both in indoor and outdoor. Okay, I'm not gonna lengthen in this video by saying a lot of unnecessary things, but there is one thing. At the beginning I thought, no, it's not true. It cannot be true. This one comes with IP68 waterproof rating. Can you imagine? I really didn't see a lot of smartwatches comes with IP68 waterproof rating, because most of the cheap or affordable smartwatches comes with IPX rating, not directly IP68 or IP67, but this one comes with IP68 waterproof rating. And finally, one thing is very important for me. If you have watched my other smartwatch review videos, sleep time monitoring, sleep time data is very important for me, because being a YouTuber, I actually don't get a lot of sleep time, but whenever I sleep, I want to get the real data. So I always check the sleep time monitoring data, and this one actually is very nice, almost perfect. I cannot say this one works like a flagship 500 or 800 US dollars smartwatch, but this is very nice. If you compare this smartwatch with any other 100 US dollars smartwatches, then this one actually stands toe to toe with those smartwatches. This one performs very good, provides a very correct sleep time data. Finally, if you consider the price, 33 US dollars, I don't think it will be an easy task to find a perfect alternative of this smartwatch. I cannot say that you should buy this one. Definitely, if you can afford a 500 US dollars smartwatch, you should go for those. But if you are looking for a budget, affordable smartwatch within 50 US dollars, yeah, within 50 US dollars, then this one is one of the best. And I have no problem recommending this one to any of my subscribers and regular viewers. Well, if you have any question about this product, about this smartwatch, then please let me know in the comment section below. If you have any other recommendations, like if you know about any other smartwatches which works better than this one, then please also let me know in the comment section below. I will buy those and do a comparison, and then I will let you know what do I think about those smartwatches. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.